Today, we're going to talk about a super exciting development that might change the way we work and live at home. Picture this. What if your coworker or someone helping you at home wasn't a person, but a robot? Yes, that's right, a robot. At Xping's 2024 AI Day, they showed off a new AI robot called Iron, and now everyone is wondering, could this advanced robot start doing jobs that people do now? Stick with us as we dive into what Iron can do, how it might be used, and the big questions about whether it's a good idea. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to keep up with all our videos. The rise of Iron, not just another robot. In the bustling tech scene of Guangzhou, China, a new star is born, Iron. This humanoid robot, introduced by Xping, is not just a prototype but a fully operational machine already making its mark on the production lines. Standing at an average human height of 5'8" and weighing 154 pounds, Iron is designed to blend seamlessly into human environments. But what sets Iron apart from previous humanoid robots? Firstly, Iron is powered by Xping's proprietary Turing AI chip. This marvel of technology is equipped with a 40-core processor, capable of handling large AI models with up to 30 billion parameters. This allows Iron to perform complex reasoning, think dynamically, and adapt to a variety of tasks with a human-like flexibility. From assembling cars on the factory floor to potentially serving customers in retail spaces or managing tasks in office settings, Iron represents a significant leap towards integrating robotics into daily human activities. Iron in action. Capabilities that mimic human finesse. Iron's design focuses on advanced mobility and precision. With over 60 joints and 200 degrees of freedom, Iron can navigate complex work environments and manipulate objects with a delicacy that rivals human dexterity. Its hands alone boast 15 degrees of freedom, enabling them to perform tasks that require intricate movements, such as handling delicate components or interacting with various interfaces. But it's not just about physical tasks. Iron's AI brain enables it to learn from its surroundings, adapt to new challenges, and interact with humans in a way that was once the realm of science fiction. Whether it's walking around a factory floor or providing assistance in a high-stress environment like medical facilities or disaster zones, Iron is proving to be more than just a tool. It's a potential companion and collaborator. Will Iron replace humans? Analyzing the possibilities. As we delve into the capabilities of Iron, it's essential to address the elephant in the room. Will these robots replace human jobs? There's no simple answer. On one hand, Iron and robots like it can handle repetitive, hazardous, or extremely precise tasks, potentially reducing the risk to human workers and increasing efficiency. On the other hand, the adoption of such advanced robotics could lead to displacement in certain sectors where manual and repetitive tasks are the norm. To better understand this dynamic, let's look at both sides of the coin. Proponents of AI and robotics argue that machines like Iron can free humans from mundane tasks, allowing people to focus on more creative, managerial, or complex problems. They envision a future where human intellect and robotic efficiency coexist to enhance productivity and safety. The social impact, opportunities and challenges. However, the integration of robots like Iron into society is not without its challenges. Critics and skeptics raise valid concerns about the socio-economic impact of humanoid robots. There's a fear that as robots become more capable and widespread, they could lead to significant job losses, especially in industries heavily reliant on manual labor. This shift could exacerbate unemployment rates and widen the gap between the skilled and unskilled workforce. Furthermore, the psychological impact of working alongside robots, or even being replaced by them, cannot be underestimated. For many, the idea of a robot colleague or helper at home brings a mix of fascination and unease. How will human-robot interactions evolve? Will they lead to new forms of workplace dynamics, or will they trigger resistance from a workforce that feels threatened by robotic capabilities? Ethical considerations. Navigating new territory. The rise of humanoid robots also opens a Pandora's box of ethical questions. As robots like Iron become more autonomous, the line between tool and agent becomes blurred. Who is responsible when a robot makes a mistake or causes harm? How do we ensure that robots respect privacy and adhere to social norms? These are critical questions that need to be addressed as part of the broader adoption of robotic technologies. Moreover, there is the issue of dependency. As we rely more on robots for everyday tasks, there is a risk of becoming overly dependent on technology, potentially leading to skill degradation in the human population. Ensuring that robots complement rather than replace human skills will be essential in maintaining a balanced relationship. Bridging the gap: human-robot collaboration. On the flip side, there's immense potential for positive change through human-robot collaboration. By handling dangerous or highly repetitive tasks, robots like Iron can help create safer working conditions and reduce physical strain on human workers. This shift could lead to a healthier workforce and increased job satisfaction for tasks that require more human touch. Moreover, as robotic technology advances, new job opportunities are likely to emerge in sectors we can't yet imagine. Roles in robot maintenance, programming, and enhancements could become as commonplace as IT jobs are today. This evolution could spur significant growth in STEM education and vocational training, preparing the next generation for a future where technology and humanity are even more intertwined. Preparing for a robotic future, education and policy. For society to truly benefit from robots like Iron, a proactive approach in education and policymaking is crucial. Educational systems must adapt to provide the skills needed in a robot-rich world, focusing not only on technology-based skills, but also on critical thinking, creativity, and interpersonal skills that machines cannot easily replicate. Policies must also be developed to manage the economic transitions and ensure that the benefits of robotics are widely distributed. This includes retraining programs for displaced workers, robust safety regulations for robots, and ethical guidelines that dictate how robots should be integrated into public spaces and workplaces. The global perspective: AI and robotics on the world stage. As we consider the future of humanoid robots, it's important to recognize that their impact will vary globally. In countries with aging populations, robots like Iron could play a crucial role in healthcare and elderly care, providing support where human workers are scarce. Conversely, in regions with abundant labor, the introduction of robots could disrupt job markets, necessitating careful economic planning and international cooperation. Countries leading in robotics also gain a strategic advantage on the world stage. As AI and robotics become integral to national economies and security, the race to develop and deploy advanced technologies like Iron could redefine geopolitical dynamics. Ensuring that these technologies are used responsibly and ethically must be a priority for all nations involved. Sustainability and innovation. Robots leading the way. Another significant aspect of humanoid robots is their potential to drive sustainability. With precise operation and efficiency, robots like Iron can help reduce waste and increase energy efficiency in manufacturing and other industries. This could be a step towards more sustainable production methods that are not only good for business, but also for the planet. Moreover, the innovation that drives the development of humanoid robots can spill over into other sectors. The technologies perfected for Iron, such as advanced AI processing and sensory networks, could find applications in environmental monitoring, disaster response, and more, showcasing the versatility of robotic technology. The vision ahead. What's next for humanoid robots? As we look to the future, the possibilities are as exciting as they are daunting. The integration of robots like Iron into daily life and workspaces is just the beginning. The next steps involve enhancing robot-human interactions, improving the adaptability of robots to diverse tasks, and ensuring that robots can perform in ethical and socially beneficial ways. Policymakers, technologists, and the public must engage in ongoing dialogue to shape a future where robots and humans enhance each other's capabilities. The journey with humanoid robots like Iron is not just about technological advancement, but also about crafting a future that reflects our shared values and aspirations. As this technology evolves, it will be crucial to continuously assess and recalibrate our approaches to ensure that AI and robotics foster an inclusive society. Together, we can harness this potential to not only automate tasks, but also to enrich human interactions and expand our horizons. That's all for today. Your thoughts and discussions on this topic are invaluable. Share your views in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more insights on AI and technology.